We be rising every day. What's going on, beautiful bees? We're here in the great outdoors. It's snowing a little bit. And how to know your life purpose in less than a minute. Here we go. So all you have to do is be doing what you love every day, and that is time well spent. And even if you are in a place or environment that is stressful right now, you can still work on your dreams, still do what you love. Take a half hour or an hour a day and put your energy into it, and that will start manifesting, that will start growing. Wherever your attention goes, energy flows. So put your energy into whatever you love, and that's what's gonna grow, and that is time well spent. Hope you guys have a beautiful day, and we all be rising together.